What's going on, guys? It's been a bit since I uploaded. I do this all the time. I'm sorry. I just wanted to let you guys know we got a bit of issues. I've been wanting to put out more vlog style content, you know, less how-to. I guess that's kind of how my last videos felt to me. They seemed more like a how-to, less of a in the life kind of thing. So like I was thinking, so I've been thinking I'm just gonna start uploading more like in the life content. So with that in mind, Susie's kind of fucked right now, royally. I blew her engine. It didn't really blow, but we got rod knock, misfire in cylinders 1 and 3. And basically, we blew the head gasket and we blew the oil pan gasket. So it's not looking good for her. Yeah, we're probably going to be doing an EJ205 swap or whatever I can get my hands on. I don't have the money at the moment, so we kind of just have 2,500 pound paperweight. So yeah, that's kind of what's been going on lately. I'm currently about to take off, drive up to Yukon. I have a lab in person, so I thought I'd take you guys around. You know, I am a college student after all. That's my daily life. That's also why I don't do daily uploads, because I got classes. They're kind of important, kind of a pain in the ass, but regardless, we're gonna get out of here real quick because I do have a lab in about an hour and a half, and it's about an hour and a half drive. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. We got to start the car because the battery is dead, so on top of all this, we also have the toe ties that we kind of couldn't unwrap. So they're like really wedged in there, and I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. There's a reason that they are. We kind of had a whole Mustang pulling this car. And the other issue is back here where our gas tank is leaking significantly. Like a lot. Or it could just be the lines that are rusted, and I have the filler neck, but I don't have any gas lines. So I'll source those. That could be easy. But first priority, of course, the engine. This is gonna be such a shit show. But yeah, anyways, back to the video, the rest of the video, and yeah. Oh, this bitch leaky. Okay, sure, leak all over the place. All right, so we're getting gas. We're still about an hour out from campus. Got a long way to go. That was the pump. Yeah, like I mentioned before, RIP Susie for the time being. I gotta work a bit, gotta see what I can do, source an engine, hopefully pretty new because we were up at 160K. I wanna get something around 50K. Build some power, hopefully. It's an old chassis. There's a lot of work to be done, and it's probably not worth it, but you know what? It's what you do for a car. However, for the time being, we are driving a 2012 Kia Rio that is not manual, so do what you will with that. It's got like no power at all. So it is what it is, and it's got Bluetooth, which my car didn't. So we'll take that. It's also actually got it's got semi-manual, if you know, that's close enough. No paddles, but you know, what could you do? You know, I just think it's a lot more expensive sourcing the parts required to fix and build the current engine that we have, considering it's had 160K roughly miles put on it, 158, and it's a 20-year-old car. I paid $2,000 for the car. I mean, it's not that bad. It's, you know, granted it gave out a lot sooner than I wished it did. It's $1,000 roughly sourcing a new engine. Depends on the one we want to build. I don't think I'm going to go for an STI swap. At least there's none around my area that are pretty cheap. I'd probably have to source a wrecked STI, which, you know, runs the chance of possible engine failure once again. Also could have some high mileage. I don't know. I want to know if you guys have ever like bought an engine online from like those JDM import websites. If it's worth it, because I've got my eyes on a EJ205. They're roughly $1,100. I've seen some for like $900. It's a possibility. I want to make some power eventually, and I don't want to build the same motor I have. I mean, EJ20s, those I've heard good things, but at the same time, I don't know. Just let me know what you guys think. This is my first time building a Subaru. It's my first time building really any car in depth. I've just fixed this car, my mom's car, and my dad's Jeep. Not really like any crazy mods to it, but yeah. Long story short, I was driving up to Thompson, Connecticut, up to the Thompson Speedway for a car show. We got there, no problem. That's a two-hour drive, roughly, from where I live. Complete opposite corner of Connecticut. But it was a great ride there, smooth, nothing went wrong. I checked the oil beforehand, perfect. We were 3/4 of the way there. Could have topped it off, but we were fine. Regardless, after the show ended, I ended up leaving, and when I turned my car on, I realized it was making a really loud fucking clacking sound. And I was basically panicking because I didn't know what was wrong. It was perfectly fine for a second. Thankfully, I was with two of my friends who work on cars as well. They work at a shop, so they could help me kind of diagnose the problem. At first, we thought it was the timing belt. Timing belt was fine. I hadn't had the issue. I've been driving the car for 2 months, roughly, almost every day, maybe. No issues there. We start driving, head to the nearest Walmart, and we get there, turn off the car. I realize I have no oil left in my car whatsoever. Like, zero. The whole thing was drained clean. And turns out my head gasket was cracked. It was completely soaking the bottom of the engine in oil. We also lost the oil pan gasket. That blew. Don't know where all the oil went. I'm assuming it probably went all over the road, but it was downhill from there. I have no tools to lift the engine. I don't have a cherry picker. I don't have an engine mount. Nothing. So for the time being, we got a large paperweight. I also think it's, like I said before, cheaper to just buy an engine that has all these things already rather than trying to source the parts and then bring it to a shop to lift and then install parts, new parts onto an old engine. So yeah, I don't know, but we'll see what happens. We also have a nice BRZ pulling up. Yeah. There we go. I don't know if you guys have ever been to Connecticut or are from Connecticut or what, but I think one of the best parts of New England, other than the cold, that's right, I like the cold. Call me weird, call me whatever. I fucking hate humidity, bro. But it's probably the scenery. I mean, like, it's almost the end of October. We still got some trees, and they're fucking beautiful. They're just colorful. And then this is the Heroes Tunnel. It's pretty fucking sick. You've got an exhaust. This is where you let it rip. I don't, but you know, we have a Kia with stock everything. So because of the temporary downtime we're gonna have until, you know, Susie's back up and running, I will be uploading more X-Way Flex videos. Don't worry. There's actually gonna be a bit of a ride later. If you stick towards the end of the video, I will be riding around my campus. There's a lot of places. There's a really steep hill. I want to see if my board can go up it. kind of why I got the board in the first place. It's a running joke. We call it Mount Everest. If you've ever gone to Yukon, if you go to Yukon, if you've been to Yukon and you know of Busby Hill, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, well, it's a pain in the ass to walk, and let's just say you don't need to have a leg day at the gym because that is your leg day. I'll put it that way. I've also decided I think I want to go back to Twitch streaming. If you guys don't know me, I used to Twitch stream pretty often. Not every day, but 3-4 times a week. I also have another channel which I used to upload gaming videos on. If you guys want to check that out, I'll link that in the description. I think I'm going to start uploading again. Probably just going to start uploading VODs of my streams until I get around to editing them. And then maybe I'll make highlights. I'll make actual quality gaming videos. But if you're going to that channel to check out any good videos, most of it's Minecraft, and most of it is from when I was around the ages of 13 to like 16. I'm 20 now, so bear in mind that there's going to be a huge difference. I also don't recommend watching those, please. Thank you. We're still about 45 minutes away, so I'm just going to put on some music, enjoy the ride. All right, we have made it to campus. I am not wearing a watch, but my lab starts like right now, so I gotta book it. Not that far, probably like a mile. So I'm at my boy's apartment, and we're gonna head to lab now. And yeah, you guys can enjoy the ride.
They was snooze on me. I was dreaming about what food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snoozed on me. I was seasoned up.
Alright, so this is the building that I need to get to. We're gonna take a temporary pause while I do my lab. It's gonna be like 3 hours. So hopefully there's still sun. You know, I kinda wanna ride around campus while it's bright. If not, I have the headlights on, or the tread lights on. So this is where we take a break. See you guys in a couple hours. That was my freshman dorm right there. Pretty lit, not gonna lie. Then we upgraded to a suite for sophomore year. That's all the way up that hill. And yeah, see how well we can do up here. I've yet to take this up here. This is one of the main reasons I bought the board, is because I didn't want to walk up this, but we'll see how well we do. Full throttle, we got 14 miles per hour, slowing down a little bit. This is the steep part. 4th gear, full throttle, 9 miles per hour. And we cleared it. That wasn't too bad. Oh shit. It wasn't awful. I actually expected it to go a lot slower than that, but I'm glad I can clear that. I probably won't be able to pull anyone up. Oh, it's so cold, bro. Woo! We fucking made it. God damn, am I cold. We'll hit this with just enough speed to roll over it. Oh, yeah. All right, we made it to the apartments. Probably gonna wrap this up here. Oh shit. Well, that just proves how fucking great these wheels are. So if you were on the edge about cloud wheels, get them, because I'm driving over gravel right now pretty fucking good. Literally like fucking 5 minutes later, the radiator starts going, or the coolant, something. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a whole lot of liquid just spilling out the Jeep. A whole bunch of smoke that it's coming right at my face. I'm not gonna touch it because there's literally a whole bunch of heat radiating from here, but there's a fitting right there that, I don't know if you can see, it looks like it popped out. This Jeep's 17 years old, so I'm not surprised. It happens. As I'm editing this video, I kind of realized I made a mistake and I didn't film an outro. So in that case, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I would appreciate if you guys went down into the description box and like subscribed, hit the notification bell, and hit like if you like, dislike if you don't. Hopefully I'm not inconvenienced too long and I can get Susie back up and running in no time. But in the event that we are, please do click on the links down below. Check out my other YouTube channel and subscribe to that. And check out my other Twitch and follow that. Can't really subscribe there yet because I'm not a partner, but you guys can help me get there. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Peace.